Hello, Dr. Arthur D. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. And let me show you where I am. I'm here in the great city of Chicago, Illinois. And guess what? I'm standing in a historical location. The address here is 4200 Diversity Avenue here in Chicago, which is the location for the original Hammond organ factory. This is the warehouse. This is the place where the Hammond organs, the Hammond B3 organs, the Hammond C3 organs, Hammond A100 organs were created, invented, produced back in the 1930s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. I'm excited to be here, and I just wanted to share this with you. This is the building that all of that action took place in, right here. Isn't this beautiful? All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, here in Chicago, Illinois, at 4200 Diversity, right here, workshop. This is history. All right, peace out.